Hello guys and welcome back to DSTECH. This will be a continuation video of the Windows 10 Ltsc edition. So if you did not watch that video, the link will be in the description box below. Go and first watch that video to get a clear information about this edition. And also don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to get more daily day-to-day tech updates. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. And also guys, I forgot to say one thing in the previous video that Microsoft recently released the Windows 11 Ltsc edition on its evaluation site. The link of the ISO will be in the description box below. Feel free to download the ISO and install it on your PC if your system is capable of running Windows 11. So now I will go to my laptop screen and install and activate Windows 10 Ltsc edition on it. Okay guys, I'm on my laptop screen and I have plugged my USB drive. Now click on the power button and click on the boot option key. In my case it is F9. Now select the USB drive and hit enter. Now wait for some time until the Windows installation media opens. Okay. Now you need to select your country and click next. Now click install now. Now click on accept the agreement, click next. Click custom and select the drive which you want to install. Now click next and click OK. Now the Windows has started installing the Windows on your PC. So please wait until it completes. Okay guys, now the Windows installation is completed. Now the PC will restart to boot into your Windows 10 from your hard drive. So the first boot will take around 20 minutes, so please wait. Okay guys, now the Windows setup has successfully loaded. I'm gonna fast forward this video as you need to fill your personal details here. Okay guys, so now you can see that Windows has been successfully installed on our PC. So I'm gonna go to my screen recorder to show you how to activate this edition. Okay guys, so now let's see how to activate Windows 10 Ltsc edition. First you need to open File Explorer. Here head to your USB drive and open Ltsc activation folder. Here you need to open this commands and product key notepad file. Here you need to copy this file location and paste it on another File Explorer. Paste and hit enter. On this, you need to copy and paste these two files in order to make the crack. Copy and paste. Click on replace. Click on continue. Okay, now we can close this. Now, you need to open command prompt as administrator. Type cmd and run as administrator. Click yes. Now, on this, you need to copy these commands one by one and hit enter. Enter. Now, the next command. Copy, paste, enter. And then next, copy, paste, enter. And now another, copy, paste, enter. Now the last one, copy, paste, enter. Okay guys, now we can close this. Click on OK. Click on this. You can also close this. Click OK for all. Now you need to open this and open this command. Click yes. Now here you need to enter 2 and hit enter. Now this will automatically detect your Windows system and it will automatically activate for you. So guys, as you can see that Windows 10 Ltsc edition 2019 has been successfully activated. So now you can close all. So that's it guys, we have successfully installed Windows 10 LTSC edition on our PC and also activated. So we'll meet on the next video, and until then, bye from DSTECH, technology for everyone.